Welcome to the world of 402 Container, your one-stop destination for essential construction and waste management services. We proudly offer top-tier dumpster rental services tailored to your project's needs. Our diverse range of dumpsters, from compact to expansive, ensures we have the perfect fit for every job. Our commitment to timely deliveries means your project remains on schedule with minimal disruptions. Our dedicated team of experts is here to guide you through the rental process, providing clarity and ease. At the end of your project, we swiftly remove the dumpster, leaving your site pristine and ready for its next chapter. Eager to get started? Contact us today at 402-979-5900 and let's embark on this journey together. For in-depth information, visit our website at www.402container.com, where you can explore our range, request quotes, and delve into our comprehensive services. 402 Container, your source for informed construction and more.